Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete an application from absolutely any iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. Actually, the process of deleting applications on iPhone is quite simple. I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you will need to select the app you want to delete on your work screen. Next, you tap on it and hold your finger on it until you get the Remove App option. You tap on it. Then you select the first line Remove App. And then you confirm Remove. Thus, the application is instantly removed from the desktop and completely from the phone. And if, for example, you just want to remove an application from the desktop so that it does not interfere here, then you also pinch the application, choose Remove App, but choose the second line, where it will say Remove from the screen. As you can see, the app has disappeared from the desktop screen. But if we swipe down, in the middle of the screen, we have this search box. If we search for this app, we have it, and we can re-add it to the work screen by just tapping on it, holding it down and adding it to the work screen. And now, as you can see, the app is back on the work screen. But keep in mind that you won't be able to delete all apps. For example, the Settings app. If you click on it, click Remove App, you'll see that there's only a Removed from Home Screen function, because there are apps that are installed by default on your iPhone, and you can't remove them. I hope that from this video you have seen how you can remove an app on absolutely any iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, please put your likes and write comments. See you soon, friends.